Are you looking for the which Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen actually works in 2025? Which Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen actually delivers? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to get the real answer. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly what works and what doesn't.
Product number 1, Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a compact plug-and-play dongle that turns your wired CarPlay setup into a wireless one. No screen upgrade needed. Priced at $39.99, it caught my eye with its sleek aluminum build and bold claims about zero latency. If you want to ditch cables without replacing your entire infotainment system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a 7A microchip with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3, which the brand says boosts transmission speed by 40% compared to older adapters. That means faster map loading, smoother music streaming, and near-instant Siri responses. It auto-connects within seconds of starting your car and works with any iPhone from iOS 10 up. Over 10,000 units sold last month suggests real demand, even though there are no reviews yet, likely because it's very new. Now, some people might worry about long-term reliability since there's no review history, and honestly, that's fair. Also, it only works if your car already has wired CarPlay. It won't magically add CarPlay to older models. But here's the thing, if your car supports wired CarPlay, which most 2016 Plus models do, this adapter delivers exactly what it promises without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you drive a newer car with built-in CarPlay and just want wireless convenience. Skip this one if your car doesn't have wired CarPlay or if you're hoping to add Android Auto. This is iPhone only. For under $40, it's solid value if you're in the Apple ecosystem.
Product number 2, InHandLife Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Next up is the InHandLife Wireless CarPlay Adapter at just $29.99, making it the most budget-friendly option here. It looks almost identical to the Gemulous, but promises even faster 5-second auto connection and dual USB-A/C cables included. If you want reliable wireless CarPlay on a tight budget, this one's hard to ignore. What makes it stand out is the upgraded smart chip that detects your iPhone almost instantly after ignition. No manual pairing needed each time. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce interference and eliminate audio lag, which matters when you're navigating busy streets or taking hands-free calls. It's compatible with over 98% of vehicles that have factory-wired CarPlay from 2016 to 2026 and works with iPhone 6 and later. With 5,000 plus sold last month, it's clearly resonating with drivers who want simplicity. That said, the setup instructions are a bit finicky. You have to disconnect your phone from the car's original Bluetooth, turn off personal hotspot, and make sure only one device is scanning. Miss a step and it won't connect. Some users might find that annoying, especially on rainy mornings when you just want to get going. But once it's set up correctly, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want the cheapest, reliable way to go wireless with CarPlay and don't mind following a few setup steps. Skip this one if you frequently switch between multiple phones or expect plug-and-forget simplicity. At $30, it's an absolute steal for what it does. Product number 3, Krunya 9.26 Portable CarPlay Screen. Now we're stepping up to actual screens, starting with the Krunya 9.26-inch display at $88.99. This isn't just a dongle. It's a full tablet-style screen that brings wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to any car, even older ones without built-in support. If you want a big, bright display with GPS, voice control, and backup camera input, this is a serious contender. The 1600 by 600 resolution is one of the sharpest in this category, 1.5 times clearer than many rivals. And the 550 CDM squared brightness means you can actually see it in direct sunlight. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, has Bluetooth 5.0, MirrorLink, and even gets OTA updates to fix future compatibility issues like Android 16 problems. The 18% brighter IPS panel really makes navigation pop, and the included rear camera input adds safety without rewiring your whole car. But here's the catch. It's a portable screen, so you're mounting it on your dash with a suction cup or adhesive base. That means extra cables running to your cigarette lighter, and it can feel a bit like a temporary fix rather than a factory integration. Also, while it claims ultra-fast responsiveness, real-world lag can happen if your phone's Bluetooth is weak or the Wi-Fi signal drops in tunnels. This is perfect for you if you drive an older car without CarPlay or Android Auto and want a full upgrade without replacing the head unit. Skip this one if you prefer a clean, built-in look or hate dashboard clutter. For under $90, it's a powerful all-in-one solution. Product number 4. Hoxie 9-inch CarPlay screen with 4K dashcam. The Hoxie 9-inch screen at $109.99 is the most feature-packed option here. It's not just a display, it's a full driving hub with a 4K front camera, 1080p night vision backup cam, and built-in DVR. If you want safety, navigation, and recording all in one, this is the closest thing to a premium upgrade. The 4K front camera records crystal clear footage with collision detection and parking monitoring, so if someone bumps your car while parked, it automatically saves the clip. The rear camera syncs with reverse lights and shows a live feed on the 9-inch HD screen, making tight parking way less stressful. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, and even mirrors your phone for apps like YouTube. The included 64GB TF card means you're ready to record right out of the box. However, all these features come with complexity. Setting up the dual cameras, running the 7-meter cable, and managing storage can be overwhelming if you're not tech-savvy. Also, the screen itself isn't as bright as the Crunia's, so visibility in bright daylight can suffer slightly. This is perfect for you if you want maximum safety and functionality. Great for rideshare drivers or frequent travelers. Skip this one if you just want basic CarPlay without the camera hassle. At $110, it's pricey, but justified if you value peace of mind. Product number 5. PAS LDA 7-inch portable CarPlay screen. Finally, the PAS LDA 7-inch screen at $49.99 is the most affordable full display here, and surprisingly capable. It offers wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, Mirror Link, Bluetooth 5.2, and a backup camera input, all in a compact HD touchscreen. If you want a simple, no-frills screen upgrade under $50, this is your best bet. The 1024 by 600 resolution isn't the sharpest, but it's clear enough for maps and calls. The big win is the 360-degree suction mount and self-adhesive bracket. Installation takes under 5 minutes, and it fits almost any vehicle, from sedans to RVs. Audio can route through Bluetooth to your car speakers, AUX, FM transmitter, or built-in speaker, giving you flexibility. The included waterproof rear camera supports night vision, and the whole thing runs on standard 12-volt power. The downside, the smaller 7-inch size feels cramped compared to the 9-inch models, and the touch response isn't as smooth. Occasional taps don't register, especially with gloves on. Also, the plastic build doesn't feel as durable as metal alternatives. This is perfect for you if you want an ultra-budget screen that still delivers core CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Skip this one if you prioritize screen size or premium build quality. At $50, it's a steal for basic needs. So which one should you pick? The Gemloose and Handlife adapters are perfect if you just want wireless CarPlay without changing your screen. The Crunia offers the best balance of size, clarity, and features for most drivers. The HAXEY is ideal if safety and recording matter most. And the PAS LDA wins on price if you're on a tight budget. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly which fits your ride.